Okay, good afternoon everyone. This is a continuation from the report of Ms. Nueva. Ways to develop a collector-safe school. The following are identified practices in age-appropriate ways for students ranging from pre-kindergarten through adulthood and help promote the cognitive and affective abilities with the integration of emotional, social, and ecological intelligences. So, ako ay sumpay kani tungod sa kitapit ni Ruila, which is a paragraph sa eco-literacy. Na ay 5 ways din hingatan na develop eco-literacy in school. One is develop empathy for all forms of life. So, we need to develop our empathy para po sa ato ang kaugalingon, para po sa ato ang future, kung sa ato ang aming madatnan or para sa atong pagtuon bisan sa eskwelahan. Embrace sustainability as community practice. So, kinahanglan nato dawaton kung unsay naa sa atong nature, kung unsay dapat nato buhaton, ato siyang siya process, pero kinahanglan nato dawaton kung unsay angay nato mga buhaton para sa ato ang para sa atong community ko. Make the invisible to visible. Yes, first make the invisible to visible. Ato ang future is daghan kita mga pangandoy, daghan tang mga gusto buhaton, which is isa pa na invisible. But sa atong practice sa pag-eskwela, sa atong mga angay buhaton is mag-abot siya sa visible or maabot na siya sa point nga, visible na siya, di na siya invisible. Anticipate unintended consciousness. Understand how nature sustains life. So, sakto yun nato kung unsa yun ang mahatag or unsa yun ang nature or natural nato sa atong paninabuhi. Next. 7 environmental principles of nature. One is nature knows best. So, all forms of life are important. 3, everything is connected to everything else. Everything changes, number 4. Number 5, everything must go somewhere. Mars is a finite Earth. 7 is, nature is a beautiful and we stewards of God's creation. So, ang kanitanan na 7 environmental principles of nature is makita nato tanan dili sa number 7 nga nature is beautiful and we are stewards of God's creation. Because all creations nga naadin sa atong makita nasa palibot is tanan is buhat sa mga God's creation. Next. Grade school. The concept and background. Grade school was introduced in Europe in the 1990s while the Rio Earth Summit of 1992 took this of the need to take action in every area in which human impacts the environment. So, ang kaning grade school is nag-base sa tulis sa itong ikan kung sila kainan na the World Summit on Sustainable Development or WSSD in Johannesburg in 2002 natalay the effort to bring about the shift in educating about the environment from educating about the environment to educating for sustainability. Say, the World Summit on Sustainable Development or WSSD dito sa Johannesburg sa 2002, ang educating about the environment is shaped into educating for sustainability, which is na to ang ginagamit karon na educating for sustainability na to ginagamit karon bisan sa atang eskwela. Dark Green School Program. Philippine Environmental Perspective. A dark green school or DGS, is a school that delivers environmental education through simulation of the environment philosophy, where students is formal lessons, as well as in activity outside the classroom, accordingly, school must. So, ang Carpentry School is taga ng ayog mga programs, taga ng programs para sa DENR, which naki-communicate, naki-partnership na sila communication para sa schools na ipangbuhat ang DENR nagpatabang sila sa school para sa katong tree plantings, mga clean green, mga activities na naki-communicate sa schools na isa nun sa mga agency kay para sa nature gyapon. O more to ako.
So A, be clean and neat as evidence of good management and housekeeping. So, sa atong student, di ba, kung saan buhaton sa atong ecology, sa atong kapaligiran mo, para ma-limpyo siya ba, di ba, estudyante di ba, na-adyo tayo knowledge kung saan na ito pag-alagaan eh. Dili man kung ka na, di ba, naiuban nga pili na ka na maayo ang inang pagbuhat ng kapaligiran o kalikasan na ito pag in the right way is wala din sila na yes. So B, all for green credit appropriate and land use planning conservation of materials and energy, proper waste management and segregation use of appropriate materials and avoidance of harmful ones and respect to others' right to a free air. So mo din nila, example lang ng kuhan na kuhan is kanang kailangan nila ito mag-segregate o kanang mga basura, mag-recycle ka para kung di ba, pag dili na ito i-recycle ang kanang mga basura, di ba, na ay mga makasama na pwede magamitan pa ng mga butang para makatabang pa po. So, next is, have management policies and guidelines that will create a helpful and ecological campus. So, sa atong school is, kailangan dito ka nang natin daw tayo ng platform na about sa atong ecology para ang mga student po is napod sila ay kanang mugin pa ang ilang knowledge about sa kanang ecology. So D, have a well-planned environmental curriculum to know for all levels, adequately oriented and trained faculty and administrative, library and financial support. So, ang naguna dito sa asa man ka naguna di ba sa atong nakabalutang knowledge sa ito pagkabata pa lang nato. Dahil sa gamay nga knowledge nga natunan is kanang about the atong parents kanang magtudlo sila, di ba magtudlo atong parents sa una nga ani ilahi-ilahi mo pag dabay ang basura, dili ka dapat kanang limpyo. Kanang dili is kanang sunod ayon sa teacher, dapat ang teacher is kanang ang student kung ang kanang teacher is kanang unite sila ba para dapat din natunan ang isa pa estudyante para alam mo pa bigyan mo about ecology. So how about the students who are aware of kanang appreciate the environmental program of the school. So, sa student po din, kanang kailangan po lang kanang mga students is kanang aware po siya about sa kanang ecology program. Okay? Reach out one outside community to spread a concern for Mother Earth and facilitate projects and programs that improve the environment. So, pag ikaw na nakailalit sa iyong haon na nakay-friend or kailalit mo nga wala ka rin sa ilalit about sa kanang ecology, di ba? Mo share po ka para nang dili lang kita para makikita pa kabalingon nga. Isa mo na sa kabalo ka, dili mo kanang ma-share because nga mo na kailangan nito siya i-share ang imo kanang knowledge about sa ecology. So, engage in research that adds knowledge in the way of nature and the impact of human activity. So, dili man sa kanang nanakay, makain pa rin kagalingon na right na po, dapat na pinakitalan ako sa kanang kalikasan na basta sa kalingon sa dili lang man ako sa anak. Tapos, kailangan pa din mo pa kanang certification ko ba about na para magdahan ka din matunan about na. So, ecological living practices. Sustainable ecological living is based on the different sets of principles. So, we have five. So, first is matter cycles continually through the wave of life. Most simply a short, silent, one species with another species. Life does not take over the planet by combat but by dynamic working. So, manipirya is kanang, di ba, wala ka kabalo nga, ang kanang insan, di sa kinig siya kanang, naku, magigay siya tabang sa kanang mga, sa mga kahoy na mahatag siya o energy o kanang mga food nga, dili mo nga kanang waste na kayo siya, padili na magamit, pero kanang, napagitay uban ang magamit, pagitay siya o so, inner ecology is man according to the report. We have a palette of 8 billion concrete habitable and polluted. Therefore, relate with non-human needs while spending time with nature. Make the most sustainability choices that working up to learn. Dream, think, design, act, and relate in new ways. Join the rest around the world in becoming agents of sustainability. So, palit niya, kanang inner ecology is kanang about sa ecology na ikaw at ayuban mo, unite sa pakanang unite ka kanang tao ni mo pag-appreciate, tao ni mo pag nang mabalang pa yun mo ba ang about sa kanang ecology is kanang mo-create pa rin ka o kanang bago.
So I'm going to continue the report of another little things. Number 5, nurture nature by taking care of our body and become aware of our natural body. So ang natin is kanang, for example, kanang masuk so, di ba, ang nature is kanang maka-reduce siya sa ato ang stress. Kung kanang mag-connect ka sa iya, for example, kanang stress ay kanang limpyo kayo ang kanang kibali ang hangin, di ba, is kanang murag kanang refresh kayo siya. O kanina na siya. So, number 6, become more energy efficient and learn to recycle our own energy. So, dili is, ang example lang is ka na bitaw, magbuhat ng solar, panel, kana magbuhat ka ng, for example, maka-reduce siya o ka ng electricity, so ka na mababa ka electricity, natin solar, siyempre, magamit man siya tungod sa init. So, number 7, learn to compose our own waste and moving to the not of others. So, dili advice ka na, for example, sila sa askat. Bisa kasa tamas ka ng iska na, nabi ba tayo ipakita na basura? So, ang basura, for example, sa kantina, ang basurahan, wala rin siya nakasegregate. So, sago-sago siya, ang malata, hindi malata, upang mal-cycle.
Ako, babe, example anang learn to compose our own ways and no need to dump into others. Kanang example anang kanang mga kanato nga kanang mga ganing ginagamit nato nga kanang magamit sa ba nga into kanang pwede pud siya mahimong fertilizer sa kanang kuan. Like for example, mulutong ta, patakaron na itong labay. In that way, pwede na to siya mahipo sa itong ikuan. Kay kanang in nature man God, dili man kanang kung ilabay lang dili magamit pud siya in compost or fertilize or matamang sa itong mga kung natay mga kuan mga hayop, pwede siya magamit.
So, number 8, become aware of life's needs and well-being of future generations and explore how we can support this in our action. So, ang diriya is kanang i-consider na ito ang long-term impacts of present action of future generation. So, gina-ensure nila ito ang well-being. So, example lang is kanang mag-advocate ang policy, ibalik ka na kanang ibalik na sa askat, provide na sila kanang mga basurahan. So, dapat, kung maglagay ng basura, dito gito sa malata,
Sa tamang nga nalagayan is
malata,
siya na
ecological literacy into the curriculum. So, integrating ecological literacy in the curriculum is it promotes a variety of teaching strategies based on practices that are developmentally appropriate to students, level and brain-based to foster knowledge and skills and values essential for sustainable living. So first is place-based learning. So place-based learning is an educational approach that connects learning and communities with a primary goals and increasing student engagement, boosting academic outcomes and impacting communities and promoting understanding the world around us. So, place-based learning is experiential learning that engages students in their environment and capture their imagination or advances environmental rewards and civic engagement. So, there is a place-based learning is kanang gina-engage niya mga students sa community, sa atong environment. So, including their physical environment, local culture, or ang kinahang history. So what we have in the place-based learning is it is using an environment as a tool for learning. So number 2, project-based learning. So project-based learning is it involves students from projects that use variety of resources including the community, technology, and outside expert, writing resources or web. So nagamit siya ng technology. So, ang project-based learning is the focus siya sa student on the project. So, ang maestra is kanang ginabutang sila sa sitwasyon na kanang ma-challenge sila ba kanang ibalik. Patuon sila river niya. Ilahang mag-experiment sila ba about kanang kanang upunsa siya gamit sa tuwa. So, there is a project-based learning is kanang teacher become a facilitator, kanang ka-facilitate lang sila sa mga student. Number 3 is Socratic inquiry. So, Socratic inquiry is named after Greek philosopher Socrates, who believed that question, not answer, stimulate learning rather than teaching facts and information. Socrates encouraged young people to question their assumptions, values, and preconceptions through this process. So students uncover their beliefs, misconceptions, and values, eventually clarify their thoughts relating to the topic under discussion. So inquiries involved siya sa providing sa mga questions sa critical thinking and discussion. So, teacher could facilitate discussion over environmental issues such as climate change, deforestation, or pollution. So, there is a Socratic inquiries ka na encourage ng mga student to explore their perspective or evaluate nilang evidence and develop informed opinions. So, diri sa Socratic inquiries, ang role sa teacher is kanang gahatag na silang direct instruction. So, iba sa project-based learning is kanang na-facilitate lang sila. So, diri sa iba nag-facilitate lang sila kayo, iba lang, na sila mag-experiment or something na kanang, wato sila bukid, kanang mag-experiment sila kanang observe sila wag kung iunsa sa mga hayop pag-interact sa palibot kung sa ano. So, 4 is experiential learning. So, experiential learning is grounded in the word John Dewey and Jen Piaget. Experiential learning is recognized that learning is active process. Traditional schooling views the teacher and text, expert, a learner as a passive. So, dito sa experiential learning is it involves based on our experience sa observation nato sa palibot, sa environment, sa mga animals. So, dito sa experiential learning is it promotes student involvement in the real world. So, gina-define nila ang kung saan nasa ato ang community. So, experiential learning is process of learning by doing, by engaging students on hands-on activity or experience and reflection. So, diriya is ang estudyante is ga-connect sila sa mga theories, knowledge, or kung sila hang namatunan sa classroom. So, for example, is muadto sila Zoom, ga-observe sila o unsang environment o unsang mga training about animals from books. So, 5 is interdisciplinary learning. So, interdisciplinary learning is emphasize connection between traditional disciplines such as math, science, history, and language art, rather than limiting learning to one content or lifestyle. So, ang interdisciplinary learning is ga-involve siya integrating concept and methods from discipline to explore complex topics. So, for example, is so, for example, math o science. So, di ba lahi sila kay science? Sa word pa lang is lahi na sila. So, pero, pareho sila ga-measure o ga-compute. O, music. So, di ba sa science is experiments na about or di ba nagap na siya sa community or environment or nature? Anong cycle ba ito siya? Yes. So, diriya is it emphasizes the connection between traditional discipline. So, diriya is learning to one content or real time. So, isang lahi-lahi ang math o English nagapon sila ay connection, which is relevant sa ato ang real life. So that's